Hello everyone, and this is the 10th video anniversary from when we first started playing garage door tennis. Recently I uploaded a Battlefield video which got 34 views. 34. So that makes me think I should do another one. So I will. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hey guys, let's take the rest of this video outside. First I gotta put my earbuds in my pocket. It's been about half the series since we went outside. Because my dad's work van was in the way, but let's go! Okay. Maybe you're just messing with us, aren't you? You're okay. It's most likely gone. Let's give it a look. And yes, his fan is gone. That leaves us time to play some garage door tennis outside. Hold on. I got to do something. I'm sure you wouldn't mind if I played here. I'm sure you wouldn't mind. After all, I am only playing some garage door tennis, which I haven't played in a while. Well, I mean, I haven't played it since yesterday. If you call a day a while, then yes, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. 57 is a pretty good score, wouldn't you say? Maybe I should get my a box of balls from the garage. BRB. Back with my box of balls. I've got 8 balls in here. More balls and it could be a box full of balls. It's a good thing us middle schoolers get out early. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, that actually wasn't too bad. 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh no, my box of balls fell over. Where'd it go? Going to here? Oh, there it is. How far into the video are we? For 6 minutes. Not bad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Not my best. It's actually kind of cold out today. I'm gonna play anyways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That way, it was that way. 1, 2. Here we go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, maybe that was a little too fast. One more round. 1, 2, 3. How did I do that? What about it? Okay, one more round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I don't know. Good thing the bag on here was good as that ball. One, 2, 3. You need agility to play tennis. You have to be fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ah. Oh, too far. Okay, that'll be all for now. See you all next time. Goodbye.